Hello viewers, hope you all are well. I am an official member of FOREX BD. Today I will discuss the most talked about and very popular strategy candlestick pattern of Forex. Beginner or expert, all types of Forex trader are constantly requesting us to give a video about candlestick pattern. So today's video is to keep their request. We have made two videos in Bengali with candlestick pattern, part 1 and part 2. And today we will do a English version of first one. So those who want to learn candlestick pattern or any new strategy must watch this video patiently from beginning to end, and if there is any noise around you, then stop that and watch this video with patience, because candlestick pattern is one of the most popular strategy in Forex, and by following this strategy many traders are making a profit and build their own career. Three types of chart are used in Forex: line chart, bar chart and candlestick chart. However, candlestick chart are one of the most popular in Forex because by this chart we can know of market's movement and market's position easily. Many years ago, the Japanese first made the chart. In today's video, we will discuss the benefit of candlestick, use of candlestick, how to remember this candlestick. And before starting the video, I would like to say, those who don't subscribe our FOREX BD, please subscribe and click the bell icon for never miss any update, because your one subscribe can inspire us a lot. And those who want to learn the best strategy of Forex, they can follow this playlist. Everything is given here beautifully. So let's go. The green candle you see here is called the bullish candle. The bullish candle starts from the bottom, so it's called opening, and this candle goes up and ends, so the last place is called closing, and the rest of the spots you can see here are called shadow, and the coloring side is real body. Again, the red candle you see is called bearish candle. The bearish candle starts from the top bottom, so it's called opening, and this candle goes down and ends, so the last place is called closing. Basically, by which candle market goes up is called bullish candle, and by which candle market goes down is called bearish candle, and the colorful part is called real body. You can make any color on the candle. We are using red and green color to show you. The 15 candles that you can see here, I must ask you to pause the video and watch it for at least 3 seconds or a minute. Here are the different type of candle that you will find useful. It's not possible to remember every candle, but by remembering some special candle, you can decide buy or sell. The candle you see here is called doji. Here the candle is seen almost all the time in the market. Its real body is very small and its upper shadow and lower shadow are large. Here you can see doji star bullish. The market provides an upper trend signal when it's seen below in downtrend market. That is, the market should go up. However, after this candle is made, you will trade only when the bullish candle is made. Doji star bearish. This candle provides a downtrend signal when it's seen in an uptrend market. That is, the market should go down. However, you will trade only when the bearish candle is made after the doji is made. Tri-star doji bullish. When a bunch of candles are seen in a downtrend market where there are 3 candles stay together, these candles are called tri-star doji. And this pattern provides a reversal signal when it's seen below in downtrend market. In other words, it will go up. Tri-star doji bearish. This bunch of doji is called tri-star doji when 3 dojis are seen together in an uptrend market. This pattern provides a downtrend signal. That is, the market will go down. Harami bullish. The word harami means pregnant in Japanese language. That is, when a candle is made in the market whose size remains within the range of the previous candle, it's called harami. The candle provides an uptrend reversal signal when seen in the downtrend market. Harami bearish. This candle looks like harami bullish. However, when it's seen in the uptrend market, the market provides a downtrend signal. The harami signal is very strong, so you can trade with confidence. Hanging man This candle looks like a hammer. This candle's features is open, high and close are same and has a long lower shadow. It makes the downtrend reversal signal when it's seen in the uptrend market. Inverted hammer. The inverted hammer is what is seen when the hanging man is turned upside down. It provides a signal of uptrend when it's seen below the market. Pin bar bullish. It gives an uptrend reversal signal when you see 3 candles in a downtrend market whose middle candles open and close within the body range of the previous and next candle, and whose body is too small and the lower shadow is too large. Similarly, when you see a pin bar in an uptrend market, it provides a downtrend reversal signal. Now you may have tired to see the candle. You may be wondering how to remember so many patterns. Yes, it's not easy to remember so many patterns. What to do then? For this, you must watch this video again and again, because once you see it, you may not be able to remember it easily. Watch the video carefully a few minutes. Understand and then practice. Each candle has a shape. Do you take a trade as soon as each candle is made? No, never. Once a pattern is created, check support, resistance or trend. If candles are in support or resistance, then you can trade. You can see on the screen that the market has formed a candlestick pattern and it's in a resistance. You can safely take order from such a placement. And those who can't draw support and resistance, they can use FIBO and zigzag. With this, you will easily get support and resistance. After you draw it, you automatically get support and resistance. Then you will take a trade as soon as you find any candlestick pattern in support or resistance or trend. You can see here that market create a candle in trend. So you can take a trade such a placement. Candlestick is a very big strategy. It can never be finished through a video. So if we get your response from this video, we will do the second video on candlestick pattern in English. So be sure to inspire us by like, comment and share. And those who trade with candlestick pattern must trade in 1 hour or 4 hour and 1 day time frame. This will help you to make a good profit. And those who do scalping can use a time frame of 5 minutes. For gaining profit, you have to choose a good broker house, because they have much spread and fee in market maker broker house. You will finish yourself by paying their fee and spread. So create your account in good broker. We suggest some broker. First one is IC Market, the true ECN. Second one is Tickmill, they have zero spread. Third one is Light Forex, a right broker in Forex market. In 3 account, verification system are same, so you can upload your document in 3 account. Which broker approve your account first, you should deposit on that account. Good broker's policy is also good, so you need to verify first. Verify your account by your document. For your account safety, you have to create your account with strong reference. If you create your account by FOREX BD's link, you will get benefit. FOREX BD can help you if you face any problem. If you create your skill and $1 account by FOREX BD's link, you can verify your account without any deposit. There will be less transfer fee. So create your any types of account by FOREX BD's link. Those who want Forex related English video, they can go to playlist. There have a playlist where all video in English. You will get all link in video description. A humble request to you, if you like this video, please share it and give us a like. It motivates us to make more awesome video for you. And if you want second part of candlestick pattern, please like and share this video. So viewers, if you like this video, please subscribe and click the bell icon for never miss any update. Like, comment and share this video. If you have any request, write down in comment box. FOREX BD obviously try to fulfill your request. So be safe, be healthy, be with us. Goodbye, tata.